Hey guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite hairstyles to do, and that is the double puff. I'm starting off on freshly co-washed hair. Some things you're going to need is a comb of your choice, a boar bristle brush, and a fine hair ponytail holder. You'll find out why we need the fine hair one a little bit later. I literally hate parting my hair. It's like the worst part of doing any hairstyle. So what I like to do at first is kind of try to part as much as I can with my fingernails as I'm doing here, y'all. It really helps to have the stiletto nails on. And when it comes to this hairstyle, I really don't care if it's super straight or not. I try my best to get it as straight as possible, but as y'all see, I'm gonna end up using the comb, which doesn't really help me any much better, but we're getting there. As you can see, we're getting there. Once you've got your hair kind of decently parted, you're gonna put one side away so we can work on the other side. Next, you're gonna take a leave-in of your choice. I'm using the Main Choice rinse-in or leave-out conditioner. And you're gonna apply that to the side of your head that we are working on. This particular bottle is really hard to get the product out, so you gotta work real hard to use this leave-in, but I got it out. So I'm using water to rehydrate my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it with the leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I don't know what the heck is on my elbow here, but I'm putting away this side of my hair so I can then do the same thing on the opposite side. The second thing we're going to be using is some sort of styling gel. I'm using Mayal Styling Gel Honey and Ginger. So I'm going to do basically the same thing I did with the leave-in, except with this gel. And what this is going to do is give my puffs a little bit more curl definition. I'm mainly focusing on the ends because that's the part of the hair that you see obviously when your hair is in puffs. Next, I'm going to be using some of my homemade herbal oil in my hair to reduce crunching and any flaking that could occur. This is also a really nice way to seal in moisture so that your hair is staying moisturized while it's in this style. Alright, I've applied oil to both sides, and now I'm going to use some edge control. Once you've applied the edge control everywhere where you think you might need it, you're just going to take your boar bristle brush. Make sure it's not super hard because you don't want to pull out your hair. So this brush is actually pretty soft for my hair. And you're going to brush your hair back to your liking. I don't like super swoopy edges, so I'm just basically brushing it back. I might swoop the edges a little bit at the end. Alright, so now you're going to put that ponytail holder on your wrist, and the reason we use the fine hair ones is because they're smaller than regular ones, and you're going to want the small one. So you're going to pull your hair up into the ponytail wherever you want to put it. I like mine slightly to the back and slightly to the side. And I'm also kind of just pulling my hair to make sure that all of my hair is all the way through the ponytail. And then I'm going back in with the boar bristle brush. Once your hair is to your liking, you're gonna pull the ponytail holder over your hair, and you're only gonna pull it through once. That's why we wanted the smaller ponytail holder. Now I'm just going ahead and defining that little ear tendril, I like to call it. I'm just adding some more of that styling gel to that piece of hair. Now everything I did on the right side, I'm now going to do to the left side. For my finishing touches, I am just adding a little bit more edge control to give it a bit more of a sleeker look. And I'm also adding some edge control to my little ear tendrils to give them a bit more stretch. I'm now gonna go ahead and lay my edges for a little bit. I decided to diffuse my puffs on cool so that you guys can get more of a dry finished product. And I did this for about 15 minutes. Alright y'all, so here's the final look. I really like this style. My puffs are secure, but still full, you know what I mean? So I'm putting on a headband because I always love wearing headbands. And yeah, this is gonna be my look for this day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment on what you think. Do you do this hairstyle often? And if you like me and my videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss another video.